guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Georgian here. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. Today I'm going to create, like, the vibe I'm going for is like a grown and sexy type of vibe, you know, for the holidays. We want to look snatched, we want to look like well beat, glowy, that little, you know, that kind of look that we're going for today. So yeah, without further ado, if you'd like to see me transform this face and everything else, then please keep on watching. Please subscribe first, hit that red subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell. So once you have that on, you'll be notified about every upload that I do. All right, without further ado, let's go.
Honestly, I'm trying to stay focused. You must think I've got to be joking when I say.
So my lids are primed with my Age Rewind concealer. I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty bronzer. That's in the shade Coconut, and I'm going to use that as my transition color into my my crease. I'm gonna go into my Festival palette by Juvia's Place. I'm gonna use this shade in my crease. I'm gonna use that same color on my lid. Yeah. Alright, we're going to want to go back in and try to blend out those edges just very lightly because you don't want it to look too harsh. See? That looks a little bit more blended and softer. And here you're still seeing the line. We don't really want to see the line. Saying I wanted to leave it like this, but I think I want to deepen up the outer, just the outer V a little bit more going into the crease. So to do that, I'm gonna go into my Saharan 2 by Juvia's Place, and I'm gonna take this burgundy here. So I'm gonna use that to deepen up the outer crease. So as you can see, I'm getting a little bit more dimension here. So I'm going for a wing, more on the dramatic side. So that's I'm gonna use my BH Cosmetics liquid liner for this. Gosh guys, I thought I was recording. Anyhow, I use this Glamour palette. It looks like this. So I just use some of this shadow here and I use my finger in it. Added a bit of the glitter glue, the glitter adhesive to my finger, rub it in it, and I just like pat it on to my lid. And because the glitter is fine, like really small, I just pat it on like in no perfect pattern or anything, and I'm liking how it turned out. Yeah, kinda, you know, jumped a little. So I added lashes, and my face, as you can see, it is glowy and so. I added my Pond's moisturizer. You guys know my Pond's, and I felt nice today, so I said I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty primer as well. So these are the two items that are on my face, and I'm going in with my Fenty foundation, as you guys know, in the shade 350. Adding my Fenty Beauty Concealer in the shade 310. I'm gonna use my Crown Pro setting powder, and that's in the shade Banana. Using my MAC Studio Fix in the shade NC45. The same shade that I use for my my transition, that's my Stalk'r bronzer in Coco Naughty. Using that to contour. Adding some of my Jordana blush. That's in 12 Redwood. Okay, so now we're gonna jump back into the eyes, and I'm gonna add some black liner and try to smoke out my lower lash line a bit. Back into the Saharan 2 by Juvia's Place. Gonna use that just to blend out my lower lash line. So this is just a random glitter from LA Colors. It's a glitter liner. So I just added some just under my eye, not too much, just to give it a little bit of oomph, right? Now we're gonna highlight, and I'm gonna be using my Master Chrome highlighter in 100 Mountain Gold. When I traveled back from Jamaica with this, guys, it was to my discovery that it broke. So now my Rose Gold Master Chrome is broken, and so is my 100 Mountain Gold. Stress out. Morphe / Jaclyn Hill palette has a really nice gold that I like. This one here. So I'm gonna add that in my tear duct area. And I've decided to add a little of that gold on my brow bone as well. We're gonna blend that out, guys, don't worry. So now for the lips, and I want to do red lips. It's only right in this situation, and I really love red lipstick. I'm gonna line my lips with a dark brown liner first. My MAC Ruby Woo lipstick, and I'm gonna go over top with the Cherry Picking, that's the Wet n Wild lipstick. Guys, so this is the combo and this is how everything is looking. I'm just gonna pop on my outfit, do something quick with the hair, and I will be right back. Guys, so I'm back. I know, major transformation, major. Popped on this wig and little earring, put on this little lace, show you guys. I look hella grown right now, and if I might say sexy, okay? Yes guys, so this is the final look. Tell me what you guys think. This look, definitely, it was more than I anticipated. It came out like way better than I visioned it in my head, which is, it's brilliant. Like, I'm loving it right now. This is really giving me holiday vibes. You can always pair this look with glossy lips or nude if you would prefer. It all depends. This is a bit on the bold side, but it's still not too bold, I'd say. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much. If you like this video, if you like the way the look came out, then please give this video a big thumb up. I'd really appreciate it. Give me some likes, guys. Give me some likes and comment below. If you have not subscribed to my channel already, then what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, turn on the post notification bell, and become a part of the family. May God continue to bless you all, and I wish for you, you know, safety, blessings, just everything positive and great for this, you know, holiday season. And don't forget, give thanks regardless, and I wish you guys all the best. Take care, God bless you all, and I will see you in my next video.